Let's start. Today's lesson is grooming of a boy. This is a lesson letter of Abraham Lincoln's son to his teacher. Abraham Lincoln's son is at school. Lincoln writes a letter to his son's teacher requesting him to mold the boy in such a way that he grows up to be a good human being. What are the qualities which make one a good human being? The letter is: he will have to learn. I know that all men are not just, all men are not true, but teach him also that for every scoundrel there is a hero, that for every selfish politician there is a dedicated leader. Teach him that for every enemy there is a friend. It will take time, I know, but teach him, if you can, that a dollar earned is of far more value than £5. Teach him to learn, to lose, and also to enjoy winning. Steer him away from envy if you can. Teach him the secret of quiet laughter. Let him learn early that the bullies are of easiest to lick. Teach him, if you can, the wonder of books, but also give him quiet time to ponder the eternal mystery of birds in the sky, bees in the sun, and flowers on a green hillside. In school, teach him it is far more honorable to fail than to teach. Teach him to have faith in his own ideas, even if everyone tells him that they are wrong. Teach him to be gentle with the gentle and tough with the tough. Try to give my son the strength not to follow the crowd when everyone is getting on the bandwagon. Teach him to listen to all men, but teach him also to filter all that he hears on a screen of truth and take only the good that comes through. Teach him, if you can, how to laugh when he is sad. Teach him there is no shame in tears. Teach him to scoff at cynics and to beware of too much sweetness. Teach him to sell his brawn and brain to the highest bidders, but never to put a price tag on his heart and soul. Teach him to close his ears to a howling mob and to stand and fight if he thinks he is right. Treat him gently, but do not cuddle him, because only the test of fire makes him fine steel. Let him have the courage to be impatient, let him have the patience to be brave. Teach him always to have sublime faith in himself, because then he will always have some sublime faith in mankind. This is a big order, but see what you can do. He is such a fine little fellow, my son. Okay, this is a good lesson. This is a good letter of Abraham Lincoln to his son teacher to make his son wise. So now let's do word meaning. There is some difficult words and their meanings are given in the chapter. Scoundrel. Scoundrel is adjective. It means unprincipled person. Means person which has no principle. Now some students are real scoundrels. Okay. Next is dedicated. Dedicated is also an adjective. Dedicated means committed. Means who is hard worker, who is committed to his work. She is a dedicated teacher. We can also write here a name of a person, of a teacher. She is a dedicated teacher. Next, bully. Bully is a noun. One who uses one's strength to hurt or frighten others. The people which used to use his power to hurt others or frighten others. He was a bully. He was asked to mend his ways or leave the school. Lick. Lick means defeat, beat back. He was quite tough, but we did lick him without much effort. Next, ponder. Ponder means to think. To think about something carefully and for a long time. Okay, and ponder means my father, sentence of the word ponder. My father pondered over the problem but could not find a solution. Next, eternal. Eternal means lasting forever. Lasting forever. True love is something eternal. It lives even after death. Next, scoff at. Scoff at means laugh at something with scorn. Laugh at something with scorn. And sentence is he scoffed at a foolish answers. Next, howl. Howl means to cry loudly. To cry loudly means to cry in a loud voice. Wolves are howling in the forest. Next, cuddle. To hold somebody close in a way of showing love. The child cuddled her doll to her chest. Next, courage. Courage means the ability to control fear while facing danger. Ability to control fear while facing danger. The soldiers showed great courage to the battlefield. Next, sublime, sublime of the best kind. The food was absolutely sublime. The food was absolutely sublime. Okay, now you have to read and answer these questions yourself. Okay, thank you.